I show you how to first use. First time you open here. Take the parts out. Keep here cleanly, and put the green on the top. You will see the lights on, and then open here. Open the button. You will see it's showed the screen. Then you open this side. You will see this is the motor. And first time you keep here oil. 1 oil and 2 oil point to put the oil. Then let's move the front. This is the front, see, and this one is back. Then we make the stir and push the stir. And first time, okay, like this. Then put the oil. Keep running 10 minutes. Oil and another side. Okay, keep the oil and 10 minutes and put the oil and oil. Let him make more the faster.